Hey kids, are you ready to count and play? Let's jump, clap, and sing all day. It's time for number counting fun.
A single banana, yellow and sweet. Peel it open, what a treat. One banana. So tell me now, how many do we count? Champions?
1 banana.
3 to 4 champions. 2 carrots, crunchy and bright. Munch them up with all your might. 1 carrot, 2 carrots. How many carrots do we count? Champions?
1, 2. 2 carrots.
3 to 4 champions. 3 red apples on a shining ground. Juicy and tasty, just for me. 1 apple. 2 apples. 3 apples. How many apples do we count? Champions?
1, 2, 3. 3 apples.
3 to 4 champions. 4 pears, soft and round, spinning gently on the ground. 1 pear, 2 pears, 3 pears, 4 pears. How many pears do we count? Champions?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pears.
3 to 4 champions. 5 oranges in a sack. Peel them quick, no turning back. 1 orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges, 4 oranges, 5 oranges. How many oranges do we count? Champions?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges.
3 to 4 champions. 6 pineapples standing tall. Spiky hats and juicy for all. 1 piney apple, 2 piney apple, 3 pineapples, 4 pineapples, 5 pineapples, 6 pineapples. How many pineapples do we count? Champions?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pineapples.
3 to 4 champions. 7 mangoes in the sun. Golden treats for everyone. Count with me. 1 mango, 2 mangoes, 3 mangoes, 4 mangoes, 5 mangoes, 6 mangoes, 7 mangoes. How many mangoes do we count? Champions?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mangoes.
3 to 4 champions. 8 lemons, sour and bright. Pucker your lips with every bite. Count with me. 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons, 4 lemons, 5 lemons, 6 lemons, 7 lemons, 8 lemons. How many lemons do we count? Champions?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lemons.
3 to 4 champions. 9 pineapples, sweet and fine. Cut them up for dinner time. 1 pineapple, 2 pineapples, 3 pineapples, 4 pineapples, 5 pineapples, 6 pineapples, 7 pineapples, 8 pineapples, 9 pineapples. How many pineapples do we count? Champions?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pineapples.
Rita for champions. 10 tomatoes, plump and red. In a salad or on some bread, count them with me. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 tomatoes, 5 tomatoes, 6 tomatoes, 7 tomatoes, 8 tomatoes, 9 tomatoes, 10 tomatoes. How many tomatoes do we count? Champions?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tomatoes.
Great job, little learners! Awesome counting today, friends. Let's remember to revise our fruits and veggies with counting numbers from 1 to 10. We'll see you next time for more fun with letters, numbers, songs, and so much more right here on Start Learning ABC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Bye, Bampians!